I'm Bertha Villaflor and I'm a businesswoman.
I'm Noel Villaflor and I'm her handyman.
We've been married for 20 years. We have 3 kids. No, 21 di ay.
We've been long-time vecinos na of Aboitiz land. Our first property with Aboitiz land is kaning Pristina North. And the search for that property took us quite some time ba. So we explored the neighboring communities dito and maybe other areas in Cebu. And then we decided on Aboitiz land as developer because of its track record. Sa una pag wag mi masayop because the property really appreciated really fast, unexpectedly ba. So what happened was, nagstorya lang, may baguhay lang na we're not selling any properties because we're very young pa. So wala pa yun. Then all of a sudden, one of our brokers for another property approached us if willing ba mi mo mobaligya sa property. So we named a ridiculous price ba. The fact nga nakakita siya og inguna nga klase nga quality nga buyer ba for a quality property, para namo nga it's important for us to maintain a good relationship with the broker. Ang resulta is we had a problem, but it's a good problem, but still a problem, was we had to reinvest the proceeds of the property because we know man nga it's very hard to find quality property, good ba? Of course, ang Foressa was top on our list kay sige mamiglabay because we have a small farm dito in the next town.
Everything fell into place. We found a lot that was available for sale, within our budget. He really wanted mangyud a property here in Foressa before.
So muna in a way Foressa was a no-brainer. So the really difficult part lang yun was looking for an available lot at that time because wa pa man gi-launch in yung phase 2, and then kami we couldn't wait. We don't mind the distance because I'm used to driving. I like long scenic drives. Kaning Trans Central Highway has one of the most scenic drives diri sa Cebu. It's like relaxing kayo siya. The good thing about Foressa is it has a very unique features nga we won't find in any other property in Cebu, and that is the trail, the river, and the waterfalls and the caves. Para nako timing kayo rong pandemic na people have discovered the importance of the outdoors ba, and then preserving nature and kana-tanan. And Foressa offers that to us as vecinos, so we really think na kana lang nga features daan is a very big plus sa investment.
Find a good partner. In terms of ingonana, find a reliable developer and find a property that will work for you ba, for your lifestyle, for whatever goal you want to achieve. Kana siya.
One rule sa investing ba is do not fall in love with your property man. Mao na siya but in terms sa mga property sa kaning Aboitiz land like kaning Foressa, I'm sure na you'll find a property nga you'll fall in love with.